The action row is a really useful workhorse of a component because it packs a lot of context and kind of utility into a really small space. At the row level, the content settings give you text, label, and image. And this is the context for the whole row, what this action row is about. It might be an employee, an invoice, a report, a vendor, or anything else. And then the actions tell people and give people things that they can do within that context. For example, review it, open it, approve it, or export it. And that separation is what makes the component work so well. The row explains what you're looking at, and the buttons explain what you can do with it. Now, each action in the row can carry its own information through its title and its icon. So you get row level context from the content, and then per action context from the labels and icons on the actions themselves. And this just highlights like a broader UX principle in app design, which might seem obvious, but before someone taps, they should already understand, without really thinking too hard, what the context is and what the outcome is of what they're about to do. When that is clear, your app feels a lot more predictable and professional. And the action row is one of the best ways to do this.